Hello, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good day, good weekend. Happy epoch to all. Well, I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to connect a browser extension wallet with Game Changer. Game Changer itself, not just a wallet, it is a dApp. So we're going to do that. We're going to connect the dApp, and then we're going to do a multi-delegation, send it out, do a transaction for multi-delegations. And in fact, why don't I just start there? So right now, this is the hard fork cafe, our main beta pre-prod wallet. Now I'm going to go to the workspaces here. So here I've got multi-delegation index 5. I'm going to select this, and I just sent 50,000 test data to this wallet not too long ago, earlier today. So here we're going to pick index address 1. This is where the 50,000 data went to. And you know what? I'm actually not going to send this because I believe I'm having a problem. So bear with me. Let's just see if I can send a little bit to one of these real quick. We're just going to do 10. All right, accept, send. All right, doosh, doosh. All right, there's that. Now let's see what happens here if this will go through. I tried to send it to the other 4 addresses, other 4 stake pools, and I was getting a little bit of error. So I've got to clean my wallet. I have a lot of accounts on here. Yeah, see this undefined path. So just to give you an idea of what I've got going on in this wallet. So here's my default. This is my main, the hard fork beta one. And then here's a multi-delegation with your Yoroi, Daedalus, or Eternl type wallets. And then here's a multi-delegation with a Game Changer. This is a DAO workspace. Here's an anonymous multi-delegation. And here's another DAO that I created. Here's a multi-delegation to 3 pools. I did this one on April 20th, I50. This is the initial 5 offering, or I got 5 on it, conflict art, DAO. And then here's where I did a combination, a comparison of multi-delegation with Game Changer or Lace. Here's another DAO, and here is a homemade multi, this is a poor man's hardware wallet. Ultimately, what I've done here is created myself a multi-sig and used 3 different wallets that I have to provide the authentication. Yeah, there we go. So I don't have a hardware wallet, but what I do have is some powerful multi-sig. So in order for me to transfer funds out of here, this wallet, I'll have to actually go and sign it with 3 different wallets. So anyway, so we're going to get out of here and we're just going to go back to our main space here. All right, we're going to go back home. And now what I'm going to do is connect to this Eternl wallet. I love Eternl. I use it quite a bit. It's pre-prod, preview, yada, yada. So now let's hit connect. And we're going to select Eternl. I'm going to copy this name right here for it. This is the HOQ. Normally, I would use the wallet name, but since it has Eternl here, I'm not even going to do that because you'll see how it displays in the next screen. So what we're going to do is look at this. I'm going to zoom in here. All right, so here are the steps. So this is going to configure the Eternl into a single address mode. Let's look in Eternl. We've got it right here, single address mode. Boom, that is correct. So then we're going to click continue, allow the connection, sign the message with my public spin key, public stake key. So let's go for it. Let's continue. All right, here we go. All right, you all are very familiar with this right here. All right, this stop, we're going to hit continue to site. And when it asks for me to sign this, which it is doing right here. All right, I'm going to take this off screen and sign. And while I am typing this in, this is just one little feature with Game Changer. There's a whole lot more that we can do, and I need to look and see, make sure that was my right password. Oh, it looks like it was, so it does ask you to sign it twice, so you know what you're doing. So you sign once with spending key, and again with your staking key. That way we know that you're aware of what you're doing. So boom, welcome. All right, let's see if these balances match up. Let's see if the transactions, the tokens, let's see if all this matches up, including the delegation, which right now this wallet with Eternl is delegated to C Link, Cardano Link. Let's take a look at these guys. Go ahead and just pull their Twitter up, mention it to them. Look, well, I need to be following these folks. What all? Look at this. They're members of some dope communities. Very, very dope communities indeed. All right, so now let's zoom out. Let's move my picture there. All right. Well, it looks like we've got a lot of tokens here. What I'll do is mint a lot of stuff in Game Changer and then send it over here to Eternl to see what it looks like. So it does look like we are all about the same spot. So we've got a total balance here of 94.19. Game Changer showing 89.14. It's worth taking a look at just to see, but I can tell already. Ultimately, let's find this NFT right here, this PPBL. This is the Plutus project-based learning token that you mint if you take the Plutus project-based learning class with Gimbal Labs. So this is probably one of my most prized NFTs on testnet. And let's just see if it's here. NFTs come down here. We're going to zoom in a little bit. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. Look at that. Boom. I'm going to zoom in now since it's looking so good like that. I'm just going to scroll down. Scroll down. Boom. All right. Look at this. So, yes, this is the same wallet. This is Eternl inside of Game Changer. So now what do? We're going to go back home. Let's go back here. So this is what it would look like if you go to change your wallet. Which wallet do you want to go to? And yes, I do have a lot of wallets in here. All right. And boom, look at this. It shows Eternl. HFQ test, close. All right. Now we're going to go back to the home screen. And since this wallet is already delegated to Cardano Link, let's do something real quick. Let's see what happens when I select multi-delegation. Do that. You know what here? I wonder if I should estimated available 93, locked 21, balance of tokens here, rewards. Oh no, why don't I have any rewards? Probably because this stake pool needs some love. All right. And let's go to multi-delegation. Let's see here. Current delegation. All right. It does load it up. So now let's see if we can turn this into a multi-delegation wallet. So here it is on Eternl. Here it is in Game Changer. We're going to create a workspace, and we're creating this workspace under this Eternl wallet. So this is pretty cool. Browser extension wallet types. It's very limited. Okay, so I wonder if we can actually create one here with Game Changer. Let's give it a shot. Let's just do, let's see here, it's the 14th. We're going to do multi-delegation. Let's see if we can just do 3 stake pools. And we're going to hit save. And it's gonna ask us to do something. Continue. All right. Okay, so can't delegate from a browser extension through Game Changer, just so we know. But that's all right. What we did do here though is import this testnet wallet from Eternl into Game Changer. So from there, let's do something real quick. Let's go to Discover. Let's go to Transactions. And this is read mode only. Let's just see. Actually, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm going to go back to Discover. I'm going to go to Advanced. Let's see what kind of UTXOs we have sitting in this Eternl wallet. All right, so here are the UTXOs all listed out. Look at this display. Pretty awesome. And there's a cool thing that I like to do here is which is go inside and then um, uh, release the UTXOs. Like it'll find it if you've got something tied to something, you can just release the UTXO, like just free it, let it go. No need to hold on to it. So we're there. There's that. I'm going to do something real quick. We're going to go to NFT creator. We're going to actually mint NFTs from Eternl through Game Changer if we can. So let's find us a little file here. What could we do? What could we do? What could we do? Let's screenshots. I usually like this. I wish it would do something a little different. I'm going to take it off screen. All right. And then what we are going to do is, oh, boom. All right. Go in here and add some metadata. The pillars of principles. And I haven't tested this, so we're doing this on the fly. All right, we're not going to add too much to it. We're going to see if we can do 5 of them. We're going to accept it. Boom. And now distribute these. And even though this is in read only mode, let's just see what happens. It shouldn't allow us to do anything whatsoever. Yeah, we're going to upload these to IPFS. Right. And this is going to send them to this main address, which is ending in R4S. Let's just make sure RR4S. Indeed it is. Boom, boom, boom. Max, doom, sign and send. Now, I wonder if it'll block me because this is in read only. Don't know. Let's see. It's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. All right, so actually it's popping up the Eternl request to sign. And we're going to go ahead and type in this password. All right, got a little bit of a typo. Boom. All right. I just don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I think it's going to work. We're going to hit sign. Then it's going to come in again. So here's this. I'm going to type in my password one more time. That went through. All right. Here's so. All right, boom. I'm going to give it a second and take a look. So once we do that, I'm going to go back and show you guys some more multi-delegation, how you set this up real quick. Done. All right, so lo and behold, let's just see if it did it. Let's just see. What did it do? Go here. New assets detected. NFT creator. All right, so tokens, little game changer orientation. Here's your coins, boom, tokens. These are what we would call native assets and NFTs. Look, first principles of pillars of principles. And I do apologize, the image is not showing because I have totally screwed up IPFS and my computer. But now let's go look at this transaction here. Oh, look, sent funds received tokens, pillars. I just minted an NFT from Eternl. Boom, chicka, boom, boom, boom. I think that's pretty dope. Let's take a look. Let's go here. See if it worked. Do you see principles anywhere? I sure want to. Wonder if it's showing up as fungibles. Might be doing that for right now. Let's just see. Douche. Game changers. Anybody see it here? Anybody see it here? No. All right, boom, there they are. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. All right. Let's just do a little something I like to call screenshot. Screenshot. Boom. All right. So there you go. Minting NFTs out of Eternl. What you want? What you want? All right, now let's go back here. I'm going to switch wallets, switch my game changer wallet, go back to this main one here, the main hard fork. And now I'm going to show you real quick what the multi-delegation looks like. So we're going to go to this pool right here where I have the 70K. And now we're going to select this first pool. All right. Close this. All right. Here we are. And now I want to, let me see if this will, let me just scroll up just a little. No. Okay. So child address 206. We're going to change this over here. And now we can see what I've got here. There's 15,000 ADA. It'll pull up which pool this is delegated to in just a minute. So let's just see if we can hit send here. Let's try. All right, we're going to go to the third one. Boom. 2,000. All right. Send sign. Yep. I'll do that. Put this address in here. Accept. I don't know if this will go through or not. It might. It should. But I think we're having an issue with my wallet in general. I've just got too much going on here. So let's see real quick. All right, we're gonna sign it. Yeah, so I've got to go back and fix this. I'm gonna have to actually remove all these wallets because, as you all know, we have recently went from beta testnet to mainnet, and there's been about 3 different wallet variations during that time. So I wonder if I could maybe go to a different setup where I've got multi-delegation going on, which will be right here. And I've got 3 of the most awesome, most badass stake pool operators here in this pool also. Let's see. All right. Hard fork 3, multi-delegation. All right, so this one right here with panel. Ooh, you know, I could collect this. That would be cool. Now let's just choose this other stake pool that is with Envy. Boom, check out, could collect 120 right there. And now let's see what's in this third pool. God, it was Blade. Look at this, 150. And let's just see how much I've got 20,000 to Blade. All right. And I've got 150 coming out. So with 20,000 to Blade, got only 12,000 to Envy. That's not cool. Come on. But 120 come in there. And now back here, we got 35,000 delegated to panel. Look at this panel collecting that. So if you want to, let's go ahead and collect it. Why not? Why not? Why not? And imagine collecting your rewards from one pool and not the others, or delegating different amounts across 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different pools. So yeah, I've got to fix my wallet here. Anyway, we're going to go back. I'm going to go back to this multi-delegation, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek to the anonymous delegation. Anonymous multi-delegation. Ada North Pool, Einstein, you are my hero, baby. Got this with you. Now, let's see what else we got here. So I've got 5 pools here, starting with index 0, which is my main address. I should not have mixed these two, this my main address with an anonymous. So anyway, I'm gonna go here. Let's see who we got. Panel again. All right. And I'm just gonna jump here to the 5th one. Let's see who's on this 5th one. Look at that. I didn't delegate this one. Awesome. So we're going to jump back to the 3rd one. And here we go. Now I know that this one's got something in it. Let's see. I believe it does. Maybe not. Maybe not. And if not, how about number 2? Does number 2 have anything? No. Well, I guess it does. Let's see. 2. All right. So I've got these. I got one here. All right, great. So, all right, I'm going to go back out. And now, if you just want to go quickly to see what we did here, go up to the top here. These are actual wallets, different wallets, not accounts, but full wallets that I've gotten in Game Changer. So here's the beta. And then these are gift wallets. And then mnemonics. And then right here, you see that right there, hardware test. Beautiful Eternl sign. There it is. I can switch to the Eternl wallet. I'm going to add Nami, Flint, Typhon, anybody that's got a testnet version, I'm going to add in here and have a wallet with just all testnets. So that will be on the next video, and I'll probably do that this evening. I do appreciate your time. Remember, only you can decentralize Cardano. Maybe. Can you? I don't know, man. Nobody can. Who knows? But that's it.